All right, let's change. New chapter. So we're doing 13. See, 04. Notice I'm using the 04. Cool. What I'm posting on the slides is coming directly from the teacher book, so you know how everything's presented. So all the vocab will be listed in there, and I'm using scans and PDFs of the pages. So I didn't actually, it's not retyped, so I can't really compile a list very easily. So, but you've got them all on the right page. If you do want to get the vocab, I'm sure everybody's been looking, or at least has tried. If you go on YouTube, a lot of teachers have posted, here's the vocab for these units. Since they're there, there's no reason to do it again. So take a look at that. I believe I may have included a link in this one, or it might be the next one. So we're talking about where rooms are located in the house. There's a little bit of a hint of that when they're talking about that vacation cabin in the video in the one of the first parts of this one. So we could look at the floor plan. You know what, I should include the floor plan in here. I'm going to see it there. So when we enter the front door, that's our reference point. Everything from then on, we're going to use in relationship to that. So, and oftentimes we'll start with what's to our left, or what's to the non-dominant side, then go to the dominant side, and then work our way around in a sort of counterclockwise fashion. If you're left-handed, perhaps the other way is better. Start from your right side, your non-dominant hand, move left and work around. As long as it's an ordered path that's easy to attach, we're attaching new rooms to it, it becomes very easy to follow. If you jump around, it can get confusing. So, this gives an explanation. If we have the floor plan up, you can see what they're referring to. It gets a little confusing thinking right to left. We're up on the right. Just sort of try to sign it. It makes a lot of sense when you actually try to assign these. It takes a little getting used to of signing the gloss. It's not language. It's directions on how to find the language. So this is an example of that. When we're talking about if you're pointing to something, or we're going to be setting things up in a miniature scale version of the layout of a house. Okay, so normally at this point we would have everybody sort of describe their houses or their apartments and try to get everybody in the group to draw it and compare the drawings and see how close you were. It really just takes a little bit of practice, and if you do it on your own of describing your house and then see if what you've got is pretty accurate. It's really pretty simple. Again, the material that's in 13 overall isn't a lot of material. It seems like it, but it repurposes a lot of the same stuff. So here, again, you can see, establish the reference point. That's usually where you enter. If you're on one side of the room, maybe you give the outline of the room. like we did with Chuck E. Cheese, remember? So maybe you're on this side, maybe you're in the center, maybe you're on this side. Maybe the bulk of the room is to your right. Just think about where the door is in terms of that. Then once you've established what you see here, maybe there's a third one over here, then move back and follow that path. This angle is kind of weird. Okay. So then we did this with directions, right? Across from, or next to. The next room, there's a hallway. Maybe hallway and on the right, hallway on the left, stairs. Okay. So again, this is where we have everybody come up and describe their place. Now, these next few videos that you're going to watch are very much a product of their age, and they did not age well. I warn you, the men in these scenes are complete misogynists, and they are going to drive me absolutely insane, and you're going to go, wow, who the hell are these guys? They are whiny. You know, the one guy's, where's my nail clippers? Well, I'll go see. And the other guy's like, where's my camera? I want to take pictures and you put it away. Like, geez, grow up. So, please, if you're in a relationship like that, get out now because people won't change. Anyway, Beauty and the Beast is a lie. I mean, you can tell by that guy's face, right? So he's looking for, the electric bill. Bill. Now these are, again, they sign fast. So it's going to take a couple of viewings to watch them. But be amused by their just horrible attitudes and feel sorry for the women who are in the scenes with them who have to put up with them. I love her. She's just like, whatever. I'm sorry, I put away you left your camera outside. I put it away. Sorry you didn't get to take the pictures you want to take. Where? Anyway. Here's the guy looking for his nail clippers. Like, oh my God, the world has ended. He can't find his nail clippers. They better be where they are. Oh my God. If I ever grow up like that, smack me, okay? Surprised my wife didn't come in and smack me right away. What is this? Oh, this guy's looking for the dictionary. Dictionary? So it's like looking something up. Dictionary. Boo. And this is, I will put all the videos here, although you've got all of them listed. There's no additional videos. So there is a little bit of vocab in this one, but not much, and it's all stuff we've talked about in in the previous units. Right?